Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking with Sharda. Today we are going to make Lahsun ki chutney or garlic chutney. This is very popular in Rajasthan and they normally have it with bajre ki roti, or you can just have it with anything like bati or chapati. So let's jump into the ingredients. For this we are going to be needing about 4 to 5 of dried red chili. We have soaked it for about 2 hours in water. 20 to 25 garlics. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and if you don't have this chili then you can go for 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of amchur powder, half teaspoon of sugar but it is optional, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, pinch of hing and some oil. Okay, so now we'll start preparing the chutney. For that we are going to grind all our ingredients, that is red chilies, garlic, red chili powder, coriander powder, salt, amchur powder, sugar and cumin seeds. Lastly, we are going to add water. Okay, so after grinding, this is a paste we get. And this is the consistency we are going to be needing it. Okay, so now we are going to heat the pan, and to it we are going to add oil. Okay, so now to the oil we are going to add hing. Now we are going to add the paste. And give it a mix. Okay, so now we are adding just a little bit of water. Then we are mixing it. Okay, so now we are going to cover it at the medium flame for about 5 minutes. Make sure to stir it occasionally. Okay, so it's been 5 to 7 minutes and this is how it looks like, and it's completely ready now. Okay, so there you go. The Lahsun ki chutney is ready. And you can enjoy it with bajre ki roti or any other just normal chapati. And if you want, we have a video on bajre ki roti. I'll link that down below in the description box, or you can check out in our channel, that is Sharda Cook. So enjoy it hot. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.